1. Hello everyone. Wish you happy in learning English. Let's consider already, yet in the perfect tense. Yet means so far until now, up to now, to this day. It is used in negatives and questions. Example: Sean hasn't called yet. Has Sean called yet? Already means by this time or previously. It is used in affirmative statements and questions. Example: They have already left. Have they already left? Let's complete the following sentences with yet or already as required by meaning. Gaston Leroux hasn't called us. They have mailed the check. Is it time for us to leave? No, not. Gustave Flaubert has bought the tickets for the game. Christian Dior has signed the contract. We have been to France 3 times. You haven't visited Thailand. Corn. Do you know the answer below? Let's go. 1. Gaston Leroux hasn't called us yet. 2. They have already mailed the check. 3. Is it time for us to leave yet? No, not yet. 4. Gustave Flaubert has already bought the tickets for the game. 5. Christian Dior has already signed the contract. 6. We have already been to France 3 times. 7. You haven't visited Thailand yet. Happy and fun in English.